This is the common drive.
Good evening, class. I'm Nathan Sekbe.
This is the fan.
Today I'm going to show you how to remove the combo tray
Now,
in the
once you
computer.
locate your hard disk,
First of all, the requirement is the
you can see it is
screw
here by
driver.
screws.
That's I have it here.
Unscrew them.
First process, you have to switch the bulb off from the main power source. Secondly, we remove the case that's on the rear side of the system unit.
Once you unscrew them,
That's the process, and then we take out the screw so that it cannot lose.
hard disk.
And then we slide the case to allow us to access the system unit. Once we are in the system unit, we can locate the combo drive. It's
And now
located.
you have your hard
For our
disk.
case, it is located in this side.
You have to turn the power supply cable.
Thirdly, we remove the screw that's attached to
And
it.
then you slide it back.
And we put in the right location so that it cannot lose. And then we remove these wires that's attached to the combo drive. We gently remove it so that we cannot break the fragile components.
This time properly.
And we push it out. For our case, this is our combo drive. That's how to remove it. So after removing, we have to install it back to its position. We put it back to where it was located. Gently, then we take care of the fragile parts. After we put it to its location, we connect it to the wires, to these wires, and we put the and we connect it and we put the combo drive. And when try it is well connected. And we close the screws with the screwdriver. Gently to ensure the process is well completed. After that, we have reinstalled the combo drive to its position. Lastly, we close the case to ensure our system unit is safe. And we close our case with the screwdriver, with the screw, using the screw driver.
Now you unscrew the four screws. This one and clockwise.
Our screwdriver here as our tool. So just unscrew them.
After that, we can power it on to ensure our computer is working well.
And once